Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In this video, we are going to talk about general purpose utilities. General purpose utilities are basically the utilities, or you can say the small applications that come by default with the operating system. So we will see what are the various utilities that we can use in Linux. There are many utilities that range from viewing the system information to managing the files, viewing the permissions and dealing with the file attributes and many more. So there are many utilities that we are going to talk about in Linux. So utilities is basically some programs that perform some standard functions. So maybe like creating a file, copying a file and so on. So there are many such utilities that we are going to use. So you can control the files and the file systems along using these utilities. So the utilities are released by the GNU, an organization that is working into developing free and open source software. So Linux comes with majorly with the GNU utilities that are bundled with the operating system and released for the users. So GNU utilities are basically the programs that come together with the Linux kernel and is released as GNU Linux. So that is what we talked about the GNU Linux. So it's a bundled operating system along with the GNU utilities. So GNU comes with various packages that help you handle the files, manipulate the files, manipulating the text in the files, and managing the processes and many more. So there are many utilities that help you do a lot of operations on your computer. So we will see all these utilities and how to use these utilities in Linux. So these are some of the utilities that we are going to work with. So cal displays the calendar for your for the current month or the year that you specify. You have date that shows you the current date and time, and you have echo to display some messages on your screen. So this is what we saw in the last video, where you displayed what is the shell that you are using the echo command. Passwd allows you to change the password on your machine. Password is your login password. Who will show you who are the users that are logged into the current system. So who is useful when there is a multi-user operating system and many users are using the system. So who gives you the list of users who have logged into the system with the details when they logged in and other details of the users, the applications being used by the users. Type shows you the file type. It shows you what is the type of the file. History will show you the list of commands that you have executed earlier. So it shows you whatever commands you have executed earlier on your prompt. You have uname that shows you all the system related details, like what is the operating system you are using, what is the CPU you are using. So it shows you all the details about your system. Then you have TTY that shows you which terminal you are using, the backtick and the bash calculator. So we will see all these commands one by one, the demonstration of these commands and how it works. So let's go to the demonstration of each of these commands.
Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. And please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.